Regaining trust among travelers is paramount for hotels, destinations, tour operators and travel agencies around the world. That is why we at Hotel Data Cloud have included over 90 COVID-19 relevant attributes, allowing hotels to update thousands of travel partners and points of sales globally in real time. From information about contactless check-in options over precautions at restaurants to updated staff policies for health and safety, we provide an easy-to-implement API to allow travel channels to automatically update in this constantly changing environment. As the leading channel manager for content, HDC allows hotels to get back in control of their descriptive content, directly reaching their guests when they make a booking decision. Over 11,000 hotels in 153 countries are trusting HDC as their content description solution, allowing us to be the de facto standard when it comes to informing travelers about amenities, features, descriptions, and health procedures in a property.